Here's exactly how to get your WhatsApp chats back on your new phone. If you're moving to a new iPhone from another iPhone, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp on the new device, verify the same phone number and Apple ID when prompted, then tap Restore Chat History to pull your iCloud backup. If the backup is recent and accounts match, this should recover messages, photos and attachments. WhatsApp's built-in chat transfer works seamlessly. Open WhatsApp on your old phone, go to Settings, Chats, begin the transfer chat process, and scan the QR code shown on your new iPhone. Keep both phones unlocked and on power until messaging resumes. For Android to Android moves, install WhatsApp, sign in with the same phone number and Google account, accept the restore prompt and let the app download your Google Drive backup. If you use local device backups instead, place the backup file in the correct folder first or follow WhatsApp's local restore steps. When switching between platforms, use WhatsApp's official transfer flows. Android to iPhone uses Apple's Move to iOS flow to move chat history securely. Both require the same WhatsApp phone number and following the on-screen steps exactly. If cloud or official cross-platform routes aren't possible, you can use MagFone Chats Transfer as a desktop fallback to backup, transfer or restore WhatsApp across devices. Run the MagFone app, connect your iPhone with a USB cable and tap Trust and enter your passcode if prompted. Click Flip if they're reversed. Confirm the overwrite on the target. Then click Transfer and wait for completion. MagFone will move messages, media and attachments when cloud methods can't.